Hello everyone, welcome to our 7th session of set theory. Last session alli union matte intersection operations and properties na study madidvi. Today we are going to discuss the one more operation is called difference of sets. Difference of sets, usual difference of numbers alla gottirutte. Then how to define difference of two sets? For that I am considering, let A and P be any two sets. Let A and B be any two sets. I am considering two arbitrary sets. Then difference andre that may be A minus B agirbodu athwa B minus A agirbodu. Then A minus B, A minus B is defined as set of all x such that x belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. X belongs to A and does not belongs to A. Adhe riti B minus A is defined as set of all x such that x belongs to B and x does not belongs to A. New difference find out madirbodu. What is A minus B is defined here? The A minus B is defined as set of all elements belongs to A, not belongs to B. That means this is the set contains the elements belongs to only A. This is the set contains elements belongs to only B. Then how to represent this difference in a Venn diagrams? ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ Venn diagram consists of two diagrams. One is circle and a rectangle. Rectangle always represents a universal set. The circle is a subset of a universal set. For that, this is the rectangle. This is some U anta tagolona. Okay, the subsets A, this is B. Then what is A minus B? The elements of A only, elements of A only andre ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ. ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿನ ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ. Since we are taking the elements belongs to A, not belongs to B. If I consider this area, what happens here? These elements belongs to B also. These elements belongs to B. That's why I am considering the elements belongs to A only. This area is what? A minus B. Next, B minus A. What is B minus A? Set of all elements belongs to B, not belongs to A. So this is the area. It is what you are B minus A. So this is A minus B and this is B and this is the difference of two sets. ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ A minus B. That is A minus B is what? Set of all elements belongs to A, not belongs to B. Let us consider some examples. The example is, example, if x is equal to a comma b comma c comma d and y is equal to f comma b comma d comma g, find x minus y, y minus x and x intersection y. So find x minus y, y minus x and x intersection y. Okay. So first x minus y ನೋಡು. What is x minus y? ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ವೈನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೇಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಮ ಬಿ ಕಾಮ ಸಿ ಕಾಮ ಡಿ minus what's your y? It's f comma b comma d comma g it is. This is what your x minus y. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is b, b gets cancelled, d gets cancelled. So what is x minus y? The remaining elements of your x. ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಉಳ್ಕೋತು x ಅಲ್ಲಿ? a ಉಳಿತು, c ಉಳಿತು. That is what you are x minus y. Next, second one, y minus x, that is equal to, what is y? F comma b comma d comma g. So what is x? A comma b comma c comma d. Okay, a comma b comma c comma d. Once again, just eliminate the common elements. Then what about your y minus x? The elements belongs to y only. That means the remaining elements of your y. What are the remaining elements here? That is f and g. Next, the third one is they are asking for x intersection y. This operation namaga gottide. What is x intersection? What is intersection means? You have to write the common elements of x and y. What is the common element between x and y? x ಮತ್ತು y ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? a ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ b? ಎಸ್, b is a common element. What about c? No. What about d? Yes, d is a common element. The common element between x and y are a comma b it is. b comma d. ಸೊ ನೀವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದರೆ x minus y is ac, y minus x is f comma g, x intersection y is b comma d. These three elements ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಸೆಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ we can conclude that these three sets are mutually disjoint ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಡಿಸ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೇನು? ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟೇ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್, we can't get any common element. If I take these two and these two, there exists no common element between these three sets. So clearly these three are mutually disjoint sets ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫಿಗರಲ್ಲೋ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲೋ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ I am representing this given problem in a Venn diagram only. This is what our u, this is x, this is y. Okay, this is the area. E area na the elements belongs to x only. This is the area between x and y. This is the area in which elements belongs to y only. Okay, so x ಅಲ್ಲಿ x only. First common element ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. b ಮತ್ತು d are the common elements. ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಮತ್ತು c, ಇಲ್ಲಿ f ಮತ್ತು g. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರಿಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ, ನಾಟ್. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನಾಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನಾಟ್? x minus y. This is what your x minus y. This is what your x intersection y. This is what your y minus x. So clear ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ನೋಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ, x minus y, x intersection y and y minus x are mutually disjoint. These are mutually disjoint. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಮೂರಲ್ಲೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. just different pairs na consider madre, will not get any common element between these three sets. That's why these are mutually disjoint sets anta helteve. This is all about your difference. Let us take one more example. This is very, very important note. This is very useful in your CT. Okay. The next second example is example number 2. If R, capital R represents set of all real numbers here. If R is the set of real numbers, set of all real numbers, set of all real numbers, and Q is the set of rational numbers, then what is R minus Q anta keltidare. Here, if R is the set of real numbers and Q is the set of all rational number, then what about R minus Q? They are asking. R minus Q ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So R ಅನ್ನೋದು it's a bigger set. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is what your R ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ? This is what your Q. This is Q. ಇವೆರಡರ ನಡುವೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. That is what your difference, R minus Q. So what is the R minus Q? ನೋಡಿ, your real number is a combination. A real number is a union of, your real number is the union of rationals and irrationals. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ರಾಷನಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಆರಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ತೆಗ್ದಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್? ಏನು ಉಳಿಯೋತಿಲ್ಲ. ಫೈನಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ irrational numbers only. So ನೋಡಿ, R minus Q means we are taking rational numbers from a real numbers. Actual real number is what? It's a union of rationals as well as irrational. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು rationalsನ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಉಳಿದೋದೇನಿಲ್ಲಿ? ಓನ್ಲಿ irrational number. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ what is your R minus Q? The R minus Q is irrational numbers. R minus Q is irrational numbers. So clear? Okay. Next. Now, next we are going to discuss one more new concept, is complement of a set. Complement of a set. What is this complement of a set and what is the definition of this? The definition says, for this, if complement set na define ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, before going to define a complement set, first I have to define a universal set. Let U be universal set and A, capital A, B, any subset of U. Any subset of U. U ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. A is what? any subset of your U, then the complement of A, complement of the set, complement of A is denoted like this, A dash and the relative complement is denoted like this, and it is defined as, complement of A is defined as set of all x such that x belongs to U, x belongs to U, ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು U ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, but x does not belongs to A. This is what the complement. ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೀತಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, that is A complement is always equal to U minus A. This can also be defined in the form of difference of two sets. Difference of two sets ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. A complement is what? The every element from U but not from A. That is what your A complement. ಇದನ್ನು Venn diagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ represent ಮಾಡೋದಾದರೆ, this is like this. Suppose this is what your universal set anta tagondre, this is A anta tagondre, the complement is always outside the circle. This is what A complement. This is what your A complement. Artha aita? The complement of a set is what actually? The complement is defined as set of all x, x belongs to U and x does not belongs to your A. This is the complement of two sets. Let us take some example for the better understand. The example is, let U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me take U as the elements containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then taking A as some 1, 2, 3. According to definition, A complement, then A complement is equal to, what is A complement? It's defined as U minus A. That is, what is U? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus 1, 2, 3. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3 cancel. Older than A. So what are the remaining elements in U? It's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is what? A complement. So clear? Now let us study some properties based on your complement. Very, very important properties here. The first property is properties. Properties. The first property, A complement whole complement is always A. That A complement whole complement is always A. This is the first property of your complement. Yes, idan bekadre one example tagondo verify maadi nodabodu. Okay, the example is, let I am taking previous example tagolva. Let I am taking a universal set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I am taking example of as U as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I am taking a subset A as, so 1, 2, 3, the previous example only. What is A complement? This is U minus A. We got the set as 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because we are minusing these elements. We are eliminating these elements from U. The U minus A meaning we are eliminating 1, 2, 3 from U only. Next, what is A complement whole complement? That is, what is A complement? U minus A. A complement whole complement ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It's U minus A complement. It's u minus a complement. ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. a complement is what? u minus a. a complement whole complement is what? u minus a complement. So clear? So what is u? Once again it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 minus what is a complement? It is 4 5 6 7 8 9 it is 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, once again we are eliminating this from this. It is 4 5 6 7 8 9. What will you get? You will get 1 2 3. What is this? It's your a only. So clearly the first property is verified. Now the second property is, the second property says a union a complement is universal set anta helutte. a union a complement is universal set. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So a, this is a complement. If I take these two, let us verify with this example only. It's simple. What is a union a complement? The property says a union a complement is universal set. Let us verify through the example only. What is a? It's 1 2 3 it is union. What is a complement? It is 4 5 6 7 8 9 it is 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, union ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. What is union of two sets? Set of all elements belongs to a or belongs to b. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ that is what your union. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So clearly what is this? It's universal set. So the second property is also verified. A union a complement is always a universal set. This can also be represented in a Venn diagram. How to represent this property in a Venn diagram? Let us see. This is universal set antadre, this is what your a anta tagondre, this is what a complement. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ what will you get? This is what your universal set. Next, third property. The third property is a intersection a complement is always empty anta ಹೇಳೋದು. a intersection a complement is always empty. This is the third property. A intersection a complement is always empty. Once again, let us verify this through example only. Same example I am taking here. Let me take you as some 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and a I am taking this 1 2 3 only. Okay, and a complement become, so direct ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ. The a complement is what? We are eliminating 1 2 3 from u only. That is what your a complement. That is 4 5 6 7 8 9 it is 4 5 6 7 8 9. So what is a intersection a complement here? What is a intersection a complement? So clearly ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, we don't get a, this is a complement. ಇವೆರಡು ನಡುವೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? Still we are not getting any common element between a and a complement. So what is this? We don't have any element in this set. So clearly this is what your empty set. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ in general a intersection a complement is always empty. ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ನಾವು Venn diagram ಥ್ರೂನು ಕೂಡ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, this is universal set, this is a, this is a complement. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, these two areas are different. This is what your a, this is what your a complement. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. So clearly we can say that a intersection a complement is always empty. The fourth property. The fourth property is the complement of empty set is always universal set. And the complement of your empty set is always universal set. Okay, noduva hege anta verify ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, same example. We know that for every set we have empty set as a one subset. Set itself and empty set as two trivial subsets. Clearly, empty set is a subset of your universal set, that is U. Empty set is a subset of your universal set. Okay. Empty set andre we do not have any element. Idralli yavude element illa. What is the complement of this? The complement of this means what? You have to get all the elements of this. Andre the complement is defined as U minus empty. According to definition, you may already ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. What is A complement? U minus A. What is empty complement? U minus empty. What is U? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 minus empty set means no element in this. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡದ್ದೇನಿಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is what you are U only. So clearly empty complement is always universal set. ಅದನ್ನು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that will become a fifth property. Universal complement is always empty. The complement of a universal set is empty. Once again, according to definition only, what is U complement? It's U minus U. Correct alva? U complement is what? U minus U. What is U? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus once again U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, what is U minus U? This set minus this set. What will you get finally? Finally, it is empty because you have to eliminate every element of this. Yes. So, finally, we got the set as empty. Hagadre, this fifth property is also verified. The complement of a universal set is always empty. Next, the sixth property. This is very important property and it is called De Morgan's law anta helteve. This is called De Morgan's law. Adralli the first law is defined as A union B whole complement is always equal to A complement intersection B complement anta. The second law of this is A intersection B complement is always equal to A complement union B complement anta helteve. Let us discuss through examples only. Okay. These two laws are very important. What are the two laws defined here? A union B complement is always equal to A complement intersection B complement. A intersection B whole complement is always equal to A complement union B complement. Okay. Once again, verify through examples. The first law. For that, I am taking two subsets. A as 1, 2, 3 anta tagolona. Okay. And your B is some 4, 5, 6 anta tagolona. Okay. 4, 5, 6. Tuma 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. According to this, what is A union B? The A union B is 1, 2, 3. 3 repeat agide. So that's why 4, 5, 6. This is what your A union B. What is A union B complement? It's U minus A union B. Seri alva? According to definition, A union B complement is U minus A union B. What is U? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We left with 7, 8 and 9. This is what your A union B complement. Next, verify ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ LHS is equal to RHS ಆಗಬೇಕು. This A complement intersection B complement ಕೂಡ 7, 8, 9 ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay. Next, we are going to find what is A complement. What is A complement? Direct ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? So, A is 1, 2, 3. The complement is what? All the elements of U, not the elements of A. 1, 2, 3 na element ಮಾಡಿ remaining elements ಬರೀ. That is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is what your A complement. What is B complement? So, in B we have 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then B complement is what? Except these numbers. What are the except these numbers? 1, 2, 3 illa, 4 illa, 5 illa, 6 illa, 7, 8, 9. What is A complement intersection B complement now? What is A complement intersection B complements? It's very simple. Complement intersection anta helidre you have to write the common elements of these two. What are the common elements between A complement and B complement? The common elements are 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. So, clearly this is equal to what? A union B whole complement. This is verified. In a sixth property, first law is verified. A union B complement is always equal to A complement intersection B complement. Next, let us verify the second law. Okay, according to second law, first we shall find what is A intersection B. What is A intersection B? We have only element 3. A intersection B andre A ಮತ್ತೆ B ನಡುವೆ common element, that is what? 3 only. Okay. And then what about A intersection B complement? ಎರಡನ್ನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ A intersection B complement ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? It's except 3 ಅಂದರೆ U minus A intersection B. U minus A intersection B. ಅಂದರೆ you have to write all the elements of U which are not the elements of A intersection B. 3 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು. That is 1, 2, 3 ಬರೆಯೋಗಿಲ್ಲ because 3 in A intersection B. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is what A intersection B complement. Better ಇದನ್ನ 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೋ. Now, this A part na find out ಮಾಡುವ. This side. The second side is first A complement. What is A complement? It's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is B complement? Except the elements 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 1, 2, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9. What is union this? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, clearly A intersection B complement is always equal to A complement union B complement. The second property is also, second law is also verified. These are the important properties of your complement. ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ನಾವು Venn diagram ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. So, let us see this in a Venn diagram. This is U ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ this is A, this is B. A, B. So, A union B complement. A union B complement andre this is what your first law. This is A, this is B, this is universal set. A intersection B complement except this area. ನೋಡಿ A union B complement ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು A union B ಬಿಟ್ಟು A intersection B complement ಅಂದರೆ except the common area means all the area except this. All the area ಅಥವಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕಲರ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್. This is what your A union B complement, A complement intersection B complement. This is A intersection B complement, A complement union B complement. These are the two properties in Venn diagrams. Okay. Now, let us take some problems on this. Taking the set of natural numbers as the universal set. Write down the complements of the following sets. And ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ we are considering here we have to consider natural number as a universal set, then you have to write the complements of the given sets. ಕೆಲವು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ಗಳದ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವ. What is u? According to the problem, u is what your natural number, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that it is goes on. The first given problem is set of all x such that x is an even natural number. So, what is the first set is given? According to problem en ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, they are giving a different sets here. You have to write complement of each of the given sets. So, set is given as x is the even natural number. What is your u? That is universal set is natural numbers. Andre I have to write the complement of this. Better I am name this set as some a anta tagolana. So, you have to write the complement of this. That is what? A dash. What is A dash usually? Is defined as u minus a. A dash is u minus a. Andre ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಈವನ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈವನ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ತೆಗೆದಾಕಿದರೆ ಫೈನಲಿ ಉಳಿಯೋದೇನು ಆಡ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ದ ಎ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ set of all x such that x is an odd natural number. That's it. That is what the complement of the given set. X is a even natural number anta kottidare. Complement is what? Even natural numbers na bitbittu ella even natural numbers na tegdu hakidre universal result alli uliyodenu only odd natural numbers. This is the answer of a given problem. Next, the second set. Set of all x such that x is a prime number. X is a prime number. The set is given. So, better once again I am taking, so let me take some b into the world. Hagadre what is your b complement anta keltidare. What is b complement? According to definition, b complement is u minus b. What is u minus b? What is b is defined set of all prime numbers. Hagadre b minus emenagutte? b minus, that is b complement, is always a natural number but not prime numbers. And prime number na eliminate madidre aaytu. That's it. Hagadre enanta baribodu? X is a natural number but x is not a prime number. Hagadre complement of this is what? Set of all x such that x belongs to n but x is not a prime number. Not a prime number. Andre it includes all natural number except prime numbers. That is what the complement. Next, third one, let me take some c and the one. Okay, set of all x such that x plus 5 is equal to 8. X plus 5 is equal to that. You have to write the complement of this. Complement anta helidre accept the solution of this equation, linear equation. First let me find the elements of this. What is your c? c ge ಒಂದು criteria ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is the criteria? The solution of this linear equation. The linear equation is x plus 5 is equal to 8. Tumba simple. Linear equation solve ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. That is x is equal to 8 minus 5, then x is equal to 3. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ this set contains only one element as 3. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ c complement ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? That is what? u minus c except the element 3. ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, like that it is goes on. This can also be written in a set builder form as set of all x such that x plus 5 not equal to 8. This contains all the elements except the solution of this. Andre illi equal to x plus 5 is equal to 8 ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು solution x, that is 3. ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ you have to take all the elements not satisfying this. That is what x plus 5 not equal to 8. So just reverse ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. Equal to ಇದ್ರೆ not equal to. This is what your c complement. Next, set D is given as set of all x such that x is greater than or equal to 7. ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರೆಯೋದಾದರೆ x belongs to n and x is greater than or equal to 7. ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. What is the complement of this? Set of all x such that x belongs to natural number, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, and complement ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಇದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ x is greater than or equal to 7 ಅಂತ ಆದರೆ x is less than 7. ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 7 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಇದೆ, ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 7 ಅಲ್ಲೂ 7 ಇದೆ, ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಭರಾಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 7, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 7. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ some E. Set of all x such that x belongs to n and 2x plus 1 greater than 10. Agar what is the complement? Nodkoli, less than ige complement less than or greater than or equal to. Okay, greater than ige complement less than or equal to. Okay, the complement of this ಇದಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು, ಇದಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್? ತುಂಬ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರೆಯುವಂಥ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೀಫಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಾದರೆ, ಈ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸಚ್ ದಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 2x plus 1 ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Less than or equal to 10. This is the complements of each of the following set. Okay, enough.